Alright. Hayabusa Synchro. 6 horse. Well, it says 4, but it's a 6. 38-pound thrust. My 2-speed. Trying this one out. I got a few. Electric downrigger, swivel mount. Makes life so much easier. I got this hooked up to a 12-volt battery connector. So I hook it straight up. Got a little inline fleet fuse for it. Trolling motor, hook up same way, has its own separate battery. Trolling motor will drain that one probably in about 5-6 hours. This one, running all the electronics, doesn't drain anything at all, even with the fish finder. That's the plug-in for the fish finder. Got a little phone charger. So I could get 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours of electric power as long as the wind's not too crazy. Always kick in the 4 horse. 6 horse, sorry.